running out of hot water with small instant geysers but don't want a bulky storage geyser? Then here is the solution. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearbuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. So this is the Orient Aura Rapid Pro. Orient calls it India's first 5.9 liter instant geyser, and honestly that extra capacity is the main reason I wanted to test this. Now Orient makes two versions, the Rapid Pro with 5.9 liters and the Instant Pro with 3 liters. Designs are slightly different, but everything else is the same. If you are planning to buy any geyser in this range, this video will help you. When you open the box, you get the geyser and a user manual. That's it. No connection pipes, which is standard for most instant geysers actually. You'll need to buy those separately. Expect to spend around 250 to 300 rupees for decent quality pipes. They do include a plug with a free plug stop, which is nice. Now installation. There is no free installation with this geyser. You can get a local technician to do it. Or if you are ordering from Amazon, Urban Company charges around 468 rupees. So total installation cost with pipes anywhere from 500 to 750 rupees. The design is what I would call semi-cylindrical. It's longer than most instant geyser because of the larger tank. From the front, there is a white decorative strip running down the middle, Orient branding at the top. And in the right corner, you have two LED indicators, which shows power and heating. The look is clean, modern. It will blend into most bathrooms without standing out too much. Now the body. Orient says it's made from shock-proof, anti-rust, high-strength polymer. I've been using this for weeks and the build quality feels solid. It's good quality plastic, not flimsy at all. Let's talk about what actually matters. What's inside this thing? The tank is 304 grade stainless steel. That's the standard for most geysers in this range. And it's corrosion resistant, which is important for durability. The heating element is 3 kilowatt copper. Again, pretty standard. But copper heats quickly and lasts long. Pressure rating is 6.5 bar, which makes it suitable for low-rise and mid-rise buildings. If you are in a building with 3 to 4 floors, this should work fine. And there is glass wool insulation between the tank and the outer body, which helps keep the water hot for longer after it's heated. Safety-wise, it comes with 5-level protection, pressure release valve, anti-siphon hole, thermal cutoff. It's well protected. But like with any geyser, be cautious. Alright. Now the part that actually matters. How fast does it heat water and how hot does it get? I tested this multiple times over several weeks, not just once or twice. I wanted to be sure. Starting water temperature 29.5 degrees Celsius. I switched on the geyser and it auto cut off after 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Final water temperature 61.9 degrees. So speed wise, it's fast, really fast. I recently tested the V-Guard Zeo 5 liter geyser and that took about 5 minutes. So this is quicker. But here is the thing, 61.9 degrees, that's around 62 degrees, is good. It's definitely usable hot water. But some geysers in this category can hit 65, even 70 degrees. The V-Guard Zeo, the Avosmith EWS Plus, they go higher. So if you want the absolute hottest water possible, this might not be your pick. But for most people, 62 degrees is more than enough. And coming to noise, I measured it with dB meter. I got it around 48 dB. That's really quiet. Some geysers hit 55, even 60 dB. This one's almost silent. Warranty is solid. 5 years on the inner tank, 2 years on the heating element and 2 years on the complete product. Price fluctuates between 3000 and 3400 rupees depending on the offers. Right now, it's sitting around 3200 on Amazon. So here is my honest take. If you need slightly more capacity than a standard 3 or 5 liter geyser, if you live in a 3 to 4 floor building with normal water quality, not too much salt or not too much hard, this is a solid option. It's fast, it's quiet, it's affordable and the 5.9 liter capacity gives you a bit more than the standard 3 or 5 liter models. But if you are in a high-rise buildings, 5 floors or more, or if your area has really hard or salty water, I would not recommend this. The 6.5 bar pressure rating and stainless steel tank might not hold up as well long term. If 3 liters is enough for you, go for the Avosmith EWS or EWS Plus. They are excellent options with glass line tanks, Incola heating elements and 8 bar pressure rating. More durable, especially in hard water areas and high-rise apartments. If you prefer storage geysers, look at the higher Precise Pro or V-Guard models. Same story. Glass line tanks, Incola elements, 8 bar pressure. Built to last longer. This Orient geyser uses the standard stainless steel tank and copper element. Same as most budget geysers. What makes this difference is the 5.9 liter capacity at around 3,200 rupees. That's good value if you need that extra water and you're in a low to mid-rise apartment. Alright. If this video helped you even a little, a like and your one subscribe really keeps me motivated to test and share more honest reviews every day. If you are planning to buy one, I have shared the product links in the description. It supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thank you for being here. I am Pooja from Clearbuy and I'll see you in the next one.